We are big fans of analytics, obviously, at vidIQ. So what analytic do you wake up for every morning?
Oh, I mean, is it okay to say, like, dollars?
vidIQ.
vidIQ.
vidIQ.com.
Hello there, I am with...
Hank Green.
If you could give a new YouTuber starting out 3 tips to get them going, what would they be?
Make stuff you like making. Because if you're not enjoying yourself, then people will be able to tell, and also you won't be able to deal with the tremendous obstacles that you are about to overcome. Make stuff that you enjoy watching, because if you like it, there's got to be somebody else. And also like stuff that you wish were in the world, it's not around yet, and you're like, hey, what? But like, I wish that this thing existed. Make that thing, and you love it. And then 3, get obsessed. Get ready to be unhealthily obsessed with making great content, with building great communities, and with analytics.
We are big fans of analytics, obviously, at vidIQ. So what analytic do you wake up for every morning?
Oh, I mean, is it okay to say, like, dollars? I mean, it is certainly a thing I pay attention to. That's sort of like where they all lead eventually. And from there you can start to dive deeper to diagnose what is affecting it going up or going down.
But if I was to say I'm really interested in watch time, for particular example,
right,
or how many comments I get every day, or like how many subscribers do I have?
We pay a lot of attention to well, now that we can, click-through rates to see how people, we've been whitelisted into that, so we can see how people are reacting to our titles and thumbnails and the title-thumbnail combination. And then what we often also see is that watch time for us is a really difficult metric, because because when a video gets popular, the watch time goes down. But that isn't because the watch time was initially down, it's because our audience isn't the ones watching it anymore.
Yeah.
So if it's fans watching, then the watch time is going to be quite long. If it's in search, the watch time is going to be lower, because people are like, oh, this isn't actually what I was looking for. So watch time is sort of a difficult thing to parse out when it's when it's affecting the success of the video or being affected by the success of the video.
Follow-up question on watch time. YouTube always says that watch time is the most important metric, and that drives video creators to create longer videos. But what, say, if you're an animator or somebody who spends hours and hours and hours creating 1 or 2 minutes of video, how do you combat that sort of situation where I can't produce long videos, but now YouTube's punishing me for not producing a longer video?
Try to get people to keep watching, one, because it isn't just about watch time, it's about session time.
Yep.
So if you can get somebody to watch a bunch of your videos in a row, have your thumbnails be very consistent so that they can tell in the sidebar that that's another video from you, and even if they've already seen it, they might want to watch it again, because animation content is rewatchable. The other thing I'll say is, like, the system isn't designed for you, and like that's unfortunate.
Hard truth, but you may have to consider another platform.
Well, maybe, or you have to just you have to think about, how do I work around the system because the system is designed for every YouTube video, and just because a YouTube video is great and is getting a lot of engagement doesn't necessarily mean that the way that the algorithm is designed or has designed itself nowadays is going to be good for every kind of video.